Hello, my name's Kelley O'Donovan and I'm one of the tutors and directors here at First Intuition in Chelmsford. I want to take a moment of your time to consider what would your life look like if you go down the apprenticeship route rather than university. The first thing we need to consider is if we are going to become an apprentice, you will be working. You'll be working typically Monday to Friday. Most weeks you will get some holiday, but probably not the same amount of holiday as if you're at university. You'll be looking at around 20 days plus bank holidays, but some employers may offer slightly more than that. However, you will be earning money during that time, so don't forget that important part of being an apprentice. Your study is likely to be more structured as well as an apprentice compared to university. For example, here at First Intuition, if you're doing accountancy, you might be doing 1 day a week with us for several weeks at a time leading up to an exam, or you might be coming for a block of study on a particular month, again preparing for an exam. You're also going to have to think about developing your time management skills. You'll be working, studying, and needing to revise in your own time. The great thing about the apprenticeship route, though, is you're gaining those workplace practical experience requirements, and you'll be in a really strong position in 3 years with no debt, and you can always have that fun time by going travelling once you're qualified. Thanks for watching and good luck.